Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I hope this is something that will be very helpful. So I've came up with a list of 10 of my top recommended beauty products for beginners. These are some of the products that I started off using and they're so good that I still use them to this day. So if you're interested and if you're a beginner, you want to know what products you can use that won't break your bank, then keep on watching. So the first product is something I've been using like for the longest. Like, this is one of the first primers I bought, and I'm saying this first because of course priming is one of the first things you want to do, and it's definitely a step that you don't want to miss out on. And this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Like, this is like, it's like a silicone based primer. It's like so smooth, it's clear, and it's just like it says, it makes your skin feel like baby skin. Like, it's really like so like soft, and it gives your skin that flat surface that you need to apply your makeup. The second product is also a Maybelline product. So you're going to find a lot of Maybelline products in this video. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. They have the Dewy Smooth and the Matte and Poreless. And of course, neither one of these are my shade. They're from my clients. I just grabbed them. I wanted to show you the two different formulas that they have. So if you have dry skin, you definitely want to lean towards the Dewy and Smooth. And if you have oily skin, you want to go towards the Matte and the Poreless. I personally prefer the Matte and the Poreless. So yeah, and they have a wide shade range, as you can tell. Like, it's just so many. This is one of the few drugstore products that have a wide variety. So yeah, you definitely want to check them out. Oh, and I forgot to mention the price. The Baby Skin, I think this is around $7, and these I think are as well around $6 or $7. You get them from Walmart, Rite Aid, Walgreens, CVS, Target, just about any drugstore, Ulta. The third product is eyeshadow, of course, you know, and I got the Morphe palette. I have multiple Morphe palettes, but I just grabbed this one. This is the 35P, and this is how it looks. But they definitely have different ones that you can choose from. If you like bright colors, you get the 35B. If you like softer looks, you know, you can lean towards the 35O palette. But I just feel like it's so many shades in here. Like, you could do a glam look, you could do a simple look, you know, a day and a night look, and it's with each palette that you can do that. So just pick which palette you like the best and then just use it. And this, I think, is around $22, but I mean, you can't go wrong. You have so many shades to choose from, and the formula is amazing. Next is setting spray. You don't want to do your makeup without setting it, and one of my favorite setting sprays is the Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This smells amazing. I think this is like $7. You can get this at Ulta. And also the NYX spray. They have dewy finish and a matte finish. I couldn't find a matte finish, so I grabbed this one. But I just love all of them. Like, they're around, I think these are $7 as well. Like, very inexpensive, and they're really good. And make sure you're always setting your makeup because you want it to last long, you want it to stay in place, and you want to refresh your makeup to get rid of some of that powdery particle type look, you know what I'm saying? So another Maybelline product, one of my favorite concealers. Like, it's crazy that I would choose this over some high-end brand concealers. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's amazing, but the one thing is that they don't have many shades of it. So yeah, this is definitely all gone. I definitely need to get me some more. But yeah, I just love this. Like, it's full coverage, but it's not heavy or cakey. The applicator is amazing. You can get up under like small places and all of that. And another concealer that I'm going to recommend that reminds me of this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. Yeah, this has been, you know, replacing this since this almost gone. I've been using this and I love it. And they as well don't have many shades for this, unfortunately, but yeah, can't go wrong with these. Next is your contour. You know, everybody loves a good contour, and I recommend the True Complexion contour palettes from Black Radiance. They have the light to medium and the medium to dark, and I just use both, and I'm going to show you what's in them. So you have a contour shade, a sculpting shade, and a highlight shade. So you get your highlighter in here. See, y'all can tell that I hit pan. Like, that's how much I love it. Like, it's so warm. That's what I love about this. How much was this? I can't remember, but you can get this from Walmart, you know, those other drugstores. And here's the medium to dark one. I really don't use the sculpting shades, but yeah, I've been putting hurting on these contour shades. I love them. Like, they're super soft and they don't make my contour look harsh. See, I used it today. You know, it's very blendable. And this is the e.l.f. blush palette. I bought this a while ago and I didn't start using it till recently, and I'm so mad at myself. Like, why wasn't I been using this? And it has 4 shades. And I just put my brush in all of them, just mix them all together. Like, they're pigmented. It's just amazing. They stay on all day. To be an e.l.f. product, like, I think this is like $6. Most e.l.f. products you're either going to get for either $1, $3, or $6. So e.l.f. is really stepping the game up. Yeah, I want to get this ASAP. Next is the NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Praline. I think this is just about empty. I have so many shades though, and NYX, they're like good for like coming out with a variety of shades with for their lippies. Like, oh my gosh, like, if you don't like the shade, I'm pretty sure you're going to find a shade that you like. They have the butter glosses, the intense butter glosses, the matte butter glosses. They just have so many things, and I think these are like $6 or $7. So definitely want to stack up on these. And they smell so good. Like, see, I just need my whiff for the day. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's like, you know, make you want to eat it. Next is these Equate wipes. They're the nighttime soothing wipes. They come in a blue pack as well, and I get them in a double pack from Walmart. If they don't have a strong scent, they do get, you know, majority of the makeup off. It's not going to do it by itself, so you definitely want a face wash. But for removing your makeup, I highly recommend these. Last but not least, a mascara. Like, I was so obsessed with mascara at one point. And I just have so many. Like, you can't go wrong with lashes. You know, starting off being a beginner, you're not really into false lashes yet. So you want to make your real lashes look as good as possible. So you want to invest in a good mascara. Now, Maybelline has the best mascara. Some of the best. And like, I've always stuck to Maybelline when it comes to mascaras. But I recently discovered the NYX Le Chic Flick, and I love it. So I'm going to recommend this to you, and I'm going to hurry up and end this video because I'm about to run out of space. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.